drama cooks. Today it's a beautiful weather outside and I don't want to spend any minute inside, but I have to prepare lunch. So I'm going to take you on a small journey to my childhood, because as a child I did not like fish or seafood, but there was one thing that I did not consider being a fish. That was tuna in a can. So what I'm going to do for you today, it's a tuna salad that only contains 4 ingredients, takes about 10 minutes to make, and it's perfect as is on a sandwich or on a toast. So let's start. As I said, you just need 4 ingredients. So what I have over here is 1 can of tuna, I just rinsed it, 1 can of corn, I have 4 sticks of celery and half of red onion for some color. So what I'm going to start with is just making the meat from the tuna a bit smaller with my fork, so you don't get big chunks of tuna at once when you eat it. Next thing that I'm going to do is chop some red onion and slice 4 sticks of celery. And that's almost everything that you need to do. So now we're gonna put it all together. So we start with the tuna, corn, red onion, celery. Now we want to mix it all well. Pepper. And we need about a teaspoon of salt. For the dressing, I'm gonna use some mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, salt and pepper. Now take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and add to it a tablespoon of mayonnaise and mix it all up. Add it to the salad and then mix it all together. And now I'm gonna make a sandwich out of it. I'm sorry, it is perfect. You can taste the tuna, but it's not overpowering. The crunch of onion and celery is just delicious. And at the end you can taste the sweetness of the corn. I hope you will like it too. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed my quick lunch and tuna salad. If you did, please leave me a comment that gives me thumbs up. For more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes, please consider subscribing. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye, smacznego!